What's up guys, Joe from Southern Paint here. Today I'm demonstrating Benjamin Moore's 015-00 Woodluxe Wood Stain Remover. As the name suggests, this product is designed to remove wood stains from exterior wood surfaces like decking, siding, fencing, shakes, and even outdoor furniture. At the same time, it also tackles mold and mildew stains as well as dirt and algae. So let's get into it and see how well it works. A few months ago, I stained this piece of pressure-treated lumber using Benjamin Moore's 691-20 Woodluxe Water-Based Translucent Stain. If you happen to miss that video, you can check it out by clicking the link on your screen. As with the other Woodluxe prep products, the wood stain remover is a concentrated formula with a maximum mix ratio of 4:1, so that's 4 parts water to 1 part remover. It's recommended to use that ratio for clear sealers, a 3:1 ratio for transparent and translucent stains, 2:1 ratio for semi-transparent stains, and finally 1:1 for solid stains. Now, even though I'm removing a translucent stain here, which they recommend 3:1, I went ahead and mixed it a little stronger at 2:1 for the demo. Benjamin Moore suggests applying a good liberal coat and letting it sit for 10 to 30 minutes. After that, agitate it with a stiff bristle brush to really work the remover into the wood grain. Alright, that looks good to me. Once you're done, you can rinse it off with a garden hose or a pressure washer, but since I'm just doing a demo, I'm going to go back and rinse it out in the sink. I can already see the wood grain coming back. I'll let this dry overnight and we'll check it out in the morning. Alright, here we go. It's fully dried. It looks really good, in my opinion. There's no trace of the stain left. The wood is prepped and ready to accept a fresh coat. Honestly, I'm really impressed with how well the Woodluxe Wood Stain Remover performed. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.